So if you want to use the WordPress live server, then there is a two-way. You have to purchase your hosting for and domain for your portfolio website, and I'm damn sure that you already know that how to purchase domain and hosting, because I have already shared on my YouTube channel, and also I have shared the coupon code as well. So here is the coupon code again. If you want 10% discount, you can navigate to riadmahmud.com/ref/hostinger and hit enter. So this is the coupon code where you will receive big amount of discounts, and you can get a free domain as well. So if you haven't purchased the hosting yet, I'll share with you the link into the video descriptions. Then you can try Hostinger. Currently I'm using Hostinger on my websites or personal accounts like riadmahmud.com. So this is I'm using the Hostinger platform here right now, and it's a great hosting. I have used some other hostings as well, but I'm really happy with their services. And it is just a personal recommendation. It's not a promoted video like the hosting. I said a couple of times here. And instead, if you're just wanted to practice yourself, if you want to learn, then you can use a local server called by local flywheel. So you can use a local flywheel here, which is great plugins. It's not locally a software, not a plugin. So you can install on your computer, whether you're using Mac or Windows, it doesn't matter. So you can install on your computer and install local WordPress there. It's very easy. And also there is another platform which is testwp.com. so this is another platform. It will provide you free hosting for 7 days. You can try it, you can taste whatever you want inside your WordPress websites. It's also a great platform to try something WordPress. And also there is another platform for WordPress where you can test without any third-party software or any third-party tools like a local flywheel, like testwp. So it's directly inside WordPress. The URL is called playground.wordpress.net. Hit enter. So this is the URL, and this is a playground. You can test very quickly certain things, but this is not good for keep your work secure. It will gonna vanish your work when you are done or closing the window or browser. It's just a playground to test instantly certain things here and there. So it's good for testing purpose, but not learning purpose. So if you're following this series, I highly recommend you to use a local flywheel, or if possible, you can build your own portfolio websites following this whole series and purchase hosting from Hostinger, where I will definitely receive a commissions, and it helps me to grow my channel in a better way. And also, you know that it's helpful, and I receive affiliate commission as well. And the testwp is also great, and I have a tutorial regarding the testwp, how to use testwp. You can simply navigate to my YouTube channel and type here free hosting on my channel, and you can see how to install and practice WordPress on live server for free. So this is the video that you should watch if you want to use a testwp for your projects. Right now, for this tutorial, we are going to use our own platform, which is hosted on Hostinger, which is webranko.com. This is the websites. So we have used these websites in our previous video where we created a video, the WordPress beginner's guide. And if you haven't watched that, then you should watch that video first, then start following this series for better understanding. And I have already installed a fresh WordPress here. So after installing a fresh WordPress, there is few basic configurations. You have to navigate to settings, permalinks, and make sure you have select here the post name and click save changes. And after that, create page. 2 page is mandatory to avoid any unnecessary or unwanted issues here, which is home. Type here home, click publish here, and click add new, and create another page, blog, and hit publish. So these are the 2 pages you have to create when you configure the WordPress Now let's navigate to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to the settings. Go to the reading and select here static page and select home page as a home and blog page as a post page. And if you're creating a website for test purpose, not the production, or it's not ready for live or fetching data on Google search engines or other search engines, you have to activate this part to disable fetching your websites on Google. So when I click over here, that means it will not gonna display our test data on Google search results. Like if I type here WebRanko and hit enter, you can see it's displaying the data already because it's displaying the demo data and the dummy informations. So if we click over here and checked, it will not going to display our lorem ipsum content, dummy content. It will not gonna display our fetch on Google, and it will helpful for SEO, and it's a good practice. So make sure you activated these features on your client website. Once you are ready to launch your website, you can disable that features. Click save changes and go to general. If you are located from general, you can change your time, you can change your time zone, you can change your language and other settings here. You can change your date formats and time formats as well. And if you're living in different countries like in India or Pakistan, you might have a different weekends or holiday starts. Some countries like Bangladesh, we have holiday in Friday and half day in Thursday. So in some places Friday and Saturday. So you can change the weekend or week starts on from here as well, and other formats as well based on your current living areas.